Hey crafters, I'm here for scrapdivadesigns and I really wanted to show off some more Steamboat Willie designs. I did come on from my last video and I did these couple of projects right here and they are in the traditional colors. I did a more vintage theme on these ones because I really like the little classic elements of the theme park on this paper. Thought it was so cute. And I really wanted to just see what it would be like to make a pastel version. So this is the die set for the Converse mini album. And it is so cute. I love this little shoe style. I love the little laces and all the little pieces. It's even got some embossing for the tip of the shoe. And I really love the way that she turned out. My purple and pink little Minnie Mouse, and I turned it into a card. I used the heart hands, which I talked about a little bit in my last video, but love these heart hands, and so I used them all over my projects. The throwback cutie is from the 80s and 90s word die set, and then to complement that, I made this little mini album. So this one is the Steamboat Willie mini album and Jelly Tote, and a lot of the Steamboat Willie stuff will be found on her site as SBW, so that might be an easier thing to search. I'm not sure, but you can go ahead and try that. I will have everything listed below, by the way, all of the names of the dies and the materials that I used if you're interested in the papers. And my affiliate link is also there along with a discount code. So this particular die has this cutout that makes all these little tiny Mickey shaker pieces. So I went ahead and used that inside. And on this one, you know, I did mini with the blue, purple, and pink, and then I did green for Mickey. I also used this mouse bow that she came out for a while ago, and it worked out so perfect on this little ear. The words came from this stamp and die set that she has now. So this is what it looks like. It has the stamp all in one, and then the die set is also all in one, so you just have to stamp once and then die once. I went ahead and did that 3 times and made all of these beautiful word cutouts. And they say stuff like, hey friend, love song, mixtape, the perfect mix. I think there's something like best friend mix right here. You're my jam. Just all these really fun sentiments. So on here, I used the happy birthday, and then I cut, there was a sentiment that said #1 hits, and I cut the #1 out for that one. And then I used the hey friend here. And then the last project I made was this travel journal. I used all of these dies for that one. So I have the boom box, the 5x7 shaker pocket, airplane shaker, journal page, and the luggage mini album. So this is such a fun project. I love the journal die set. It's so cute. It has the layering. It has these little indentations for lines for actually journaling. And I just had a lot of fun just combining color, like coordinating the colors and the prints. And I used the luggage mini album because I just thought that was going to be perfect. It has the travel sentiment already with the album. This is from the airplane shaker die set. I used the heart hands again on this one. And then this little flower die is something that she came out with a while ago. I'll have to like dig that up and list that below. But it just works so perfect. And I went a little brighter for this pastel theme. And I think it totally works. So on the inside, we have a 5x7 shaker pocket that I used just to, just as pretty much, I didn't make it a shaker, so I just made it like a regular pocket. And it looks so cute there with this print. I believe this is from like her travel words, I want to say. So I put that there for vacation, the little plane. And then I have this boom box, which is so cute, and the little Minnie and Daisy fit perfectly in this little square piece. I used the the tape mix words again. So I have You're My Jam here. And then I have a place to make a song list. So we have number 1 hits and best mix ever on the top. Before I forget, all of these rosettes were made with the Steamboat Willie Rosette. And I just had a lot of fun making these color combinations. I use this as my inspiration, and this is actually like a stripe that I made using the colors from these paper collections. And again, this is all from an Etsy shop, so if you're interested in these prints, I'll also have that listed in the description. Yeah, I really wanted to coordinate these rosettes with these 2 projects especially. And then I made some other coordinating rosettes to go with these ones as well. And this one's a gingham check into a rosette, and then the other ones are just solid. And then also, like, this is the size difference too, if you're curious about the rosettes. So one is just slightly bigger than the other. I think they're so pretty and so fun. Just a reminder, I have everything listed below in the affiliate link, so if you're inspired by anything, definitely check that out. I'll also have my affiliate link and discount code HELLO10. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting. Bye!